Welcome to the FXS series function tutorial. Phone functions. When the call comes in, click the function button once to answer. Click it again to hang up. Reject call. Long press the function button for 3 seconds. Switch call. When the device is connected to 2 mobile phones and receives simultaneous incoming calls, you can press the function button once to answer a call. Double press the function button to switch between the 2 calls. Switch manual automatic answering calls. Press and hold the function button and the power button for 3 seconds. The unit will announce auto answering off, indicating that manual call answering has been activated. In manual call mode, when a call comes in, you need to single-click the FXSC function button to answer. Repeat the previous step to switch to automatic call answering. The unit will announce auto answering on, indicating that auto answer mode has been successfully activated. In auto answer mode, when a call comes in, the FXSC unit will automatically answer it for you within 12 seconds.